Hey everybody, this is Lance from ThetaTraders.com. This video we're going to go over the credit spreads that ended on June 20th, 2025. Had really good results on pretty much every credit spread. There was one or two we had to manage, kind of those mean children out there. But otherwise, had a really good month. I'm going to show the trades that we did and why I took a few of these different setups. Let's go right to it. Where on the quarterly plan and on Inner Circle lifetime plans, you get daily access to these credit spreads. I look for different setups for getting safe credit spreads where you could make at least 5% in about a month. Usually it's a little less than that in a month time. And then we will sometimes close these out a little bit early. Sometimes just let them expire worthless, and they're done pretty much at 12:20 or so Central Standard Time every day. So they come in, you could do the trades anytime that day or even the next day in most cases and get very similar premiums that I get. So if you look, very straightforward how I set up the alert. PCS is a put credit spread. Here's one I did on Nike. Has the expiration date for 6/20. And then I say where to sell the put, where to buy the put, and minimum premium to get zero point 0.4 or more. And then for transparency, I show what I got. I got 0.43 on this trade. We typically stop out at around 3x premium, so we don't want to hit a max loss. It's like those pennies in front of a steamroller. We want to make sure that we manage our risk. And then also do an alert price. In this case, the alert price was at 50, which is a little bit higher than the sold put. So if it gets to the 50, we possibly close it out early if it happens right away, or we'll manage it later. So you can see every day I do these trades and pretty consistent trades every day. For the option trades questions, this is what I considered for today. Robinhood chart, pretty bullish. And then I said to look for a put credit spread at 65.60. So there's a free trade alert if you want to. This is for the July OPEX, third Friday of July. Sell the 65 put, buy the 60 put. I went over in the Discord more about this particular trade as well. Let's look at the results. So these are all the trades from 6/20. As you can see, we did buy to close a few of these out a little bit early. This shows the position when we sold the position, the date of expiration, stock price at the time that I did the trade, strike prices. First one's a sold put, second one's a bought put. And the strike width, we usually do a 5 width, meaning you only need a little less than $500 per spread. And you could easily scale this to multiple contracts if you have a larger account. Then we have the current price. This update every 15 minutes during the market. And if it's green, that means that it's above the sold put. As you can see on 6/20, all of these are green. So all of these are either going to expire worthless or I already closed them out. This is how much premium I got, what my delta is. And then the outcome, I didn't put buy to close on these yet, but these will all expire worthless because the column here quite a bit higher than the column here. To get the return, you would take the premium and then divide it by 500 minus the premium. So for example, this one was $38 and it's a 5 with spread. So you would do 38 divided by 500 minus 38. The calculator out. So 462 is the amount of buying power you need in your account. Do 38 divided by 462. Looking at 8.2% return in a little less than a month on that particular trade. This is actually a little bit more than a month, but some of them are near a month or possibly less than a month. So pretty hands off. You don't have to watch them very carefully. We did have one. We had 718. I closed one out. We did have none of them that actually was able to stop out. So really good returns for these particular trades. And if you're interested, just join at ThetaTraders.com. Again, the quarterly membership or the lifetime Inner Circle membership You'll get access to these every day. You could ask me questions one-on-one or in the group chat. I have over 400 members right now. Definitely interested in option selling and having a very tight-knit, close community of making money by selling premium. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. Click like, subscribe, all that great stuff. Definitely helps support the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.